Hey everybody, it's Dr. Fish, is the mad scientist. Guys, today I made the do-it-yourself clapping monkey lightsaber. This is pretty cool, guys. For this, I got this monkey out of a convenience store. It held candy. I seen that the handle was clear, so I manipulated it a little bit. I added LED strand lights so it would light up. I hot glue gunned it to the back right here. On the bottom, I hot glue gunned a little star light that I got from the dollar store. Right here, I had to hot glue gun a Dr. Pepper cap to bring this strand of LED lights out a little bit. I had to tape the bottle to it right here. This is a Dr. Pepper bottle, and it runs the other series of LED lights. At the top, this right here, this green cap came off of a green tea. Then I hot glue gunned a green finger light to it. And that's pretty much it for this, guys. This is the do-it-yourself clapping monkey lightsaber. Always be original, creative, and explosive. See things that other people don't see and make cool stuff like this. Like the do-it-yourself clapping monkey lightsaber. I really like this thing, man. It's really cool. Really cool, man. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video of the do-it-yourself clapping monkey lightsaber. Dr. Fish out.